Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shapr3D, and more to come. This video covers drawing 4 in Shapr3D on iPad. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Shapr3D on your iPad. Start with a sketch. You'll find Sketch on the left-hand side. Place your sketch on the top plane. This will automatically rotate your view to top view. Use the Circle tool to draw a circle along the y-axis, as shown on screen. Set the circle diameter to 14 millimeters. Now set the position from the origin. Select the center point of the circle, then select the origin point. This will create a dimension. Enter 38 millimeters. Next, click More to open the Pattern tool. Make sure Circular Pattern is selected by clicking the small arrow. You can choose between linear and circular. Select Circular. Select the circle. You'll now see a center point for the pattern. Drag this point to the origin. This defines the center of rotation. Use the rotation arrow and enter 360 degrees. Then set the quantity to 20. Perfect. To trim the unwanted lines, we first need to remove the pattern constraints. Hover over the origin point and click Delete Constraints. You'll notice that all dimensions become visible. To hide them again, open Constraint Settings on the right. And turn off Always Show Dimensions. This makes the sketch easier to see. Now select the Trim tool. And remove all the unwanted lines. This part is a bit tedious. Take your time. Well done. Now draw another circle using the Circle tool. Place it on the origin point, drag it out. And set the diameter to 70 millimeters. Perfect. Your sketch is now complete. If you want, you can turn the dimensions back on. Click Exit Sketch. You can rotate the view using your finger or the cube in the top right corner. To extrude the design, click inside the contour. Use the arrow, or enter a value, and extrude it to 5 millimeters. Next, select the outer contour and extrude this to 100 millimeters. Well done. We now have two bodies that need to be combined. Go to Items, select both bodies. Then click Union and select Done. The bodies are now merged into one. And that's it for this design. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you finish them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.